having some coconut coffee. No, I'm having blueberry coffee. I haven't had enough coffee yet to wake up to even know what kind of coffee I'm having. But I'm at 911 South Kansas Avenue. So we're going to talk about weight loss for a minute. Made a video yesterday with Bentley on over in Kansas City, and we were talking about weight loss. And Dr. Gundry, the guy that my health guru, one of the whole themes of his healing your microbiome is also maintaining a manageable weight. And Bianca put it this way yesterday. When your kid tells you something and it resonates, she goes, like 10 pounds is a watermelon. And so I got on the scales today. 3 watermelons over. So all naturally, here we go. And then just out of the blue this weekend, I met this young man, Mr. Man. that happens to be his name. And he was talking about how good he felt on the 3rd day of a 3-day fast. Dr. Gundry talks about fasting. But I'm going to tell the Reader's Digest version of my daughter motivating me to lose some weight. It was when we were taking care of my mom, and we had a picture taken together. Plus, this is back when I was drinking a lot. And I get this picture of my daughter and myself, and holy smokes, I'm fat. She goes, Dad, you could lose some weight, She goes, what do you weigh? And after looking at the picture, I didn't even want to get on a scale. So I started making an effort of cutting my calories down and walking a lot, and being cognizant of being fat. So I'm kind of on this little journey here, and Bianca looks at me and she goes, Dad, hey, you lost some weight. And I go, really? And I'm like, oh wow, my daughter noticed something. Okay. She goes, what do you weigh? Well, by this time I had the courage to get on the scale. And I was at 335 that day. 335. Today, and you got to remember, this is over a decade ago. Well over a decade. Maybe 12, 13 years. Good morning. Blueberry coffee today.
Oh, thanks.
So, since May 2nd, 2015, I've lived in the moment. And I've always had good recollection of events that have happened. It's just the time of when they happened. What does it matter? In this short lifetime. So today, 2:29. Good morning. So I need to drop 3 watermelons. I think I'll give the fast a try today. I'll have to. I think you can have coffee even on a fast. We'll see. I'm live.